Good morning. So I finally sat down and logged my travel claim for the global IT glitch that occurred while I was traveling recently on Delta Airlines. And I finally sat down and did my claim with my travel insurance provider, which I have an annual plan through Travelguard. So I felt like I should document this because I don't think the average person would keep some of these materials that you are going to need to prove that whatever happened, and that you did not receive any additional funds to these claims, etc. So let me show you exactly how to file a claim through Travelguard. So of course, you're going to have your trip details. You're going to have your personal information, which is basically your what is that stuff called? Your mailing address, etc. I'm gonna skip over that. Then you're going to have to talk about what type of claim it is. Now, this one is particularly a trip interruption or delay. There are other choices here. You can do, it was a cancellation, a baggage fees, or medical expenses. I felt like it was more for me a delay, even though my flight was canceled. So I just kind of went with trip interruption or delay first. I'm more interested in showing you what documents you need. I'll give an update just to let you know exactly, did I pick the right things or not. Then you have to say what mode of transportation was canceled, etc. Provide the dates. The key thing here is make sure that you keep your receipts for when the flight was actually booked. So here is where it gets tricky. You're going to have to give your booking confirmation. So don't throw away anything related to your booking confirmation. You are going to need proof of refunds or credits. So basically any sort of statement that talks about what the terms and conditions. So when the airline is emailing you saying, hey, we know it's an interruption or cancellation or whatever of your flight, you need a document that keeps that. And then you need to prove your claim experience, which of course we will always have. That's going to be the receipts for what you bought. And then here's another key detail, because people are probably going to delete this email here, but make sure whenever the flight or whenever the airline emails you saying, hey, your flight is delayed or interrupted or canceled, keep that email. So essentially what I'm saying is it is important for you to keep all details, receipts for your flights from the time that you booked till the time you get home, basically until you are settled back in your house and you have all your things, your luggage with you, all those things. Keep every form of communication from the airline. I usually make a folder that has what that information is. So I usually just kind of make, trip Alaska, July 2024, and every receipt that I have goes into that folder. And if the trip goes well, I have all my documentation. If the trip doesn't go well, I have all of my documentation that will meet the requirements for filing a travel insurance claim. So I hope all of these steps help you, save you some worry, etc. Because I know if you delete it accidentally from your email account, you no longer have some of the proof. So hopefully these little tips kind of helped you with filing your insurance claim. I know this is the first time I've ever done one. I figured I would share.